Hi sweet people, welcome back to my hobbies. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to talk about the Coach backpack that I've been wearing. We're going to give it some ratings and I'm going to switch into another bag. So I'm inviting you to join me and to like and subscribe. Thank you. A lady who likes to plan, journal, raise chickens and grow things while carrying a nice bag. Oh my God, Becky, look at her bag. Let's start with the unboxing. I've popped the top. Actually, hubby did. This is from eBay. Packaged quite well. Came from Japan. Any guesses? Oh, look at this. This is a used handbag. We will get more into the details of this handbag after I carry it. Now let's get into the what's in my bag portion. In my last video on handbags, you saw me unbox this. So let's just talk about what I've done. I am carrying it by this scarf on my arm. I've added Snoopy and two scarves actually, because one is holding Snoopy. And you can see on the underside what I've done. I've locked the two chains together, and I can still use the chain as a shoulder bag. And the first item is, of course, the matching Coach wallet. The second item that I'm carrying in here is a way older fuchsia, because this is not the first time Coach has used this color, and this color is fuchsia. This is for when I just want to grab my keys and phone, because I have a little slide card thing on my phone that I can take one card in with me. So that's if I just want to run into the store without my bag. And then this took the place of my mini pochette, and this is by Kipling. I've looked all over for another one and cannot find it. So good luck. Maybe they'll come out with some more black and white checkers. But anyway, yes, this is how I've decorated and carried this bag, and now it's time for a change. If you have any questions on how I've set this bag up, just let me know. I had a lot of fun making the chains work for me. Now, let's rate this bag. For cuteness, 1 out of 5, it gets a 5 because it is so cute. In usability, for 1 out of 5, it gets a 1 because it is an absolute nightmare unless you're carrying it as a backpack. So for my personal rating, it gets 6 out of 10 points. So I would sell, trade, or give away this bag in a giveaway. Okay, it's time to choose the next bag. In honor of the last week of Pride Month, we're going to go with this colorful Dooney bag. See you next week. and to like and subscribe. Thank you.